guys, and welcome to Living Wise Facebook group. We are so glad you're here, and we hope that you will be able to learn as much as you want to learn about your Young Living products. And we are a community of people that want to better our health and the health of our families by using Young Living and Young Living products. And so whether you're brand spanking new to Young Living or you've been oiling for a long time, we're glad you're here, and we want you to comment when you have a question or when you have a great testimony of what Young Living products have done for you and your family. We want you to share that, and in that way it will encourage another person and help other people learn as well. And so, for example, maybe you have used lavender for your family or for yourself and saw some great results and have an amazing testimony for that. Then just post it, and we would love to see that and cheer you on, and maybe that'll help someone else. Or maybe you've seen all these women talk about Dragon Time essential oil, and you want to know what is up with Dragon Time and why is it so great. Then post that question on this group, and we would be glad to answer that for you. And also, if you see something where you know the answer or you want to comment on it, feel free to go ahead and comment on that if you have something to say, and that will help that person as well. Also, speaking on having something to say, Living Wise, our goal is to keep it super positive, helpful, and happy environment. Okay, so if you have something super negative to say and will not really uplift anyone else in the group, then just go ahead and shoot that message to your enroller or to a friend and let them help you with that. We don't want to start being negative or complaining or anything like that. So our goal is to keep it happy, helpful, and relevant to Young Living education. And so also, something else to help with your education is in the pin post at the top of this group. We want to help you as much as possible. And so there are going to be some great videos listed there that you can watch or share with a friend. And there's going to be a welcome video. There's going to be an unbox your kit video. Maybe you or someone that you've helped enroll to get a starter kit, maybe they need that video to help see what all to start off with and how to get going with their oils, and that's there for you. Or maybe you want to know more about Essential Rewards, or a friend does. There's going to be a video about what is ER, why you should do it, and what are the monthly promos. There will be more videos added to the pin post as we see the need for it, and so go back and check that out. If you enroll someone, let's say your sister saw your kit and loves it, and so you signed her up, add any of those people to this group. On the computer, you can do that on the right-hand side where it says add members, or on your phone, they'll be around the top area that says add members. Feel free to add them to the group. We want them to learn too, and we want them to be part of our OLA community. So you may add them. You can welcome them under this post. The top post in the pin post, you can welcome them there in the comment section. Say welcome, whatever you want to say, and be sure to let them know that there's some great videos in this pin post that will help them out. So we just sit back and learn, and we're so excited about this oily community. We are super pumped. We're going to be providing a lot of great product education. So check in throughout the day or in the evenings when you get home from work and see what great stuff was posted that day. Sometimes it might be a giveaway. Sometimes it might be a class on maybe oils for men, or a back to school class, or something getting ready for the winter season. There's just going to be different stuff all the time. A lot of product education, some DIY videos, all kinds of great stuff that's going to help you learn how to use your oils to the max. And so just join us, participate. Let's all get our learn on, and we are so glad you're here. Thanks, guys.